Hi students, I hope you are fine and healthy at your home. Now we are going to start motion and a plane next video where we will see vector addition, vector subtraction, dot product and cross product. So first we will study about a vector addition. We have a question that vector A equal to I plus 3j minus 4k, vector B equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. You have to add. If we are going to add two vectors, so we will follow the same method what we are going I plus 3j minus 4k. We have to put in place nearest I minus 3j plus 4k. So we'll see we have a addition, vector addition, 2i plus 1i, 3i. Here is a both cancel and 4k and 4k, these also cancel. So what will be the answer? A plus B will be, vector A plus vector B will be 3i. Or we can say 0j and 0k. So no need to write that, but we have answer A plus B equal to 3j. Also similarly we can do A minus B, vector A minus vector B. How can we solve? I plus 3j minus 4k. Also B is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So we have to minus, so here we will put minus and this sign will change and this sign will also change. What will we get? I minus I, here 3j plus 3j, 6j minus 8k. This is our vector subtraction. Like that you can solve the questions. Now we'll see the dot product A dot B. For this first I will get the information that I dot I equal to 1, J dot J equal to 1 and K dot K equal to 1. Other vector will be 0. Why? Other vector means I dot J equal to 0, I dot K equal to 0, J dot I equal to 0. That means all will be 0, but you have to remember that I dot I equal to 1, J dot J equal to 1 and K dot K equal to 1. So why it is there? Physics have everything. I will show you that we have a three plane. This is X, this is Y and this is Z. This is vector I, this is J, this is K. So we know that what is the difference between the vectors, and we know that A dot V cos theta. This is our angle. Okay, A dot V cos theta. This is only for understanding, don't copy this. So A dot B cos theta. If I dot I is in a same plane, if we have a two vectors, so I dot I in same plane, so 1 dot 1 cos 0, because that will be cos 0. So A dot B means same, so we will get cos 0 equal to 1, so we will get 1. But if they are not in a same plane, if we are talking about J and I, so we will get 90 degree angle, J dot I, so cos 90 will be there. We know that A dot B cos 90 equal to 0, so this will 0. So this similar thing it is mentioned in your book, so try to understand first and afterwards you can solve the question. So we are going to drive the A dot V. So we have up to A vector equal to I plus 3j minus 4k dot B 2i minus 3j plus 4k. This is very simple method. You have to multiply only I dot I, J dot J and K dot K. I dot I into I, 2i dot I. Okay, this we have to multiply. Plus or minus will be minus 3 3s are 9 J dot J. Okay, then minus 4 4s are 16 K dot K. So we'll get I dot I equal to 1, 2 into 1, minus 9 into 1, minus 16 into 1. What will we get? 2 minus 9 minus 16. What will be there? There will be 7 minus 25, no, 23. Minus 23 will get the answer. So this time you have to solve the question like this. Now we will see cross product. What is the cross product? A cross B. For that we will take mod. This is a mod. So I, J, K you have to write, and afterward the coefficient of A and B. Coefficient of I is 1, J is 3, 4 is K is minus 4. Here 2, minus 3 and 4. So how you have studied in mathematics that how the modulus can be solved. I first will take, then this column and this row will be hidden. So we have to multiply this coefficient and we have to put the minus sign between them. So this I and I will cancel. So 3 4 ja 12. Minus minus will be plus, but minus will be the sign. 3 4 ja 12. Okay. So minus sign will be there. Similarly, plus this roots follow like plus minus plus, plus minus plus. This is the mods method that will you understand again. So plus j, if we are taking j, then this line will be goes cancel. Then 1 4 ja 4 and negative sign will be inner side. So 4 2 ja 8, minus 8, minus minus plus 8. Okay, we have to write here j, and afterward we have k plus will be taken here, minus j will be taken, plus minus plus. So for k, this line and this line will be cancelled. Then 1 multiplied by minus 3, then we'll get minus 3, minus 3 2 ja 6, like that. Again I will say to you, you just understand that how we can solve the modulus. I, if we are taking this line will cancel. 3 4 ja 12. Inner side sign will be minus, and afterward j will be taken, plus minus plus, minus j plus k. So minus j, this line or this line cancel. 1 4 ja 4, minus minus 8 will get, but minus minus will be plus. So like that, I, there will be 0, minus j 4 8 12 plus k will get minus 9. So what will be our answer? 0i minus 12j plus minus 9k. Minus 12 minus 9 is our that will be our answer.